everyone, welcome back to Artland. In today's exciting video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Godzilla versus Sonic. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Godzilla versus Sonic, let's begin with Godzilla. So I'm going to start right here and we're going to begin with the eye. So we're going to start by drawing a line that's going to come down and then we're going to bring this back here. Next, we're going to make lines going to come down and then up. We're going to bring this line back, and then we just want to angle it down, and we'll add a couple more little lines. Starting here, we're going to bring this line up, and we're just going to make it kind of bumpy as it comes back to here. And we're just going to bring this line down and then in. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up. Then we're going to bring this line down. We're going to take this line and we're going to come down and we're going to go up here. Next, we're going to bring this line down, and we're going to angle it down. Starting here, we're going to bring this line down, and we're going to come up, and we're going to curve it up to here for the jaw. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to curve down for the back of the mouth. And we'll add a couple more little broken lines on here for some detail. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up and then down for the nose. And then we're going to draw a couple little broken lines around here. Underneath the eye, we're going to add a couple little lines. And then we're going to add some lines that are going to go down and they're going to curve up and down. We also want to draw some teeth. So I'm going to make some sharp teeth in here. And we're just going to bring these all the way to the back of the mouth. Then let's go ahead and draw some more right up here. We'll draw some more sharp teeth all the way to the back. And we're going to add a line that's going to curve down. We're going to come up and then bring it back for the tongue. Now, starting here, we're going to make another line that's going to come back, and we're going to try to follow the same pattern here. So we're just going to come down, and we'll bring this right to the edge of the paper. And then right here, we're going to add some long, kind of curvy lines just for the bottom of Godzilla's neck. So we're going to make some more lines that just come down, and then we'll bring it right to the end of the paper. We're going to make a few more little broken lines coming down here. And I like to add some long broken lines along the top and bottom of the mouth for some detail. Add a little line here, and then a couple more little broken lines, just to show some detail on Godzilla's face. We can even add a few more extra lines here. Now I'm going to make some long broken lines here. And a couple more little broken lines right along the back here. We can even put a few of them coming down Godzilla's neck. Now right up at the top here, we're going to add a few little spikes. We won't be able to fit many in, but we'll just add a couple right there. Now, to start off with Sonic, we're going to begin right here at the face. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to come up like this. Next, we're going to come down and curve up here for the eye. Then we're going to make another line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up here. I'm going to bring this in a little bit. And then I'm going to curve this line up, and we're going to bring it back here to a point and then back. Then starting here, we're going to make another line that comes out to a point and back. Now we're going to come back to here, the face, and we're going to draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to go down. We're going to curve it around and bring it down here. Then we'll make a sad face and a line across. And we'll put a little black dot here for the nose. Above the eye, we'll make a line that comes down for the eyebrow. And then for the eye, let's make an oval shape. And then we'll put a little black dot in there. In the mouth, we can add a little sad face and just kind of color in the rest of it. Right here, we're going to make lines that's going to come up and then down for the ear. We'll make that same shape in there with a line across for the inside. Then right here, we'll make a line that comes up and then down. Now, starting here, we want to make his arm. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to bring a line that comes out to here. And then we're going to make another line that does the same thing. I'm going to make a line that's going to come right across here. And we're going to make a line that comes up and down, and then up and down. This time we'll go down and up to connect it. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to go down and then come back up for the thumb. And then right here, we're going to make lines going to come up and then down. We're going to go over and down, and then over and down right here to make it look like it's getting ready to swing. And then we'll draw a line that comes to here. Next, we're going to curve this line up. And then we're going to make another line that's going to come down. And then we're going to bring it right back to here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line down. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve down for the body. Right here, we're going to go down and over for the leg. And we'll make another one here. We're going to go down and over and then connect it. Then right here, we're going to draw a line that goes up and down again. Then we're going to go down and up, down and up. Then right here, we're going to go up. We're going to bring this line down and then come back up. Curve a line across and then draw two lines. And we're going to make lines going to come out here to a point for the tail and then back. We'll connect that part there. Next, starting here, we're going to make another line that's going to go down and then back. We'll add a little curved line. And then we'll add another curved line here. We'll make a line that goes up to the tail and then down. And then a little line is going to come out and then up here for the other shoe. We'll draw a line right here to connect it. Then we're going to make a little line down here for the stomach. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and up here. And then up here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to bring it around here. Make another one here. One more here. And then one right here for that other hand. We'll just draw a little line down here. And there you go, there is your drawing of Godzilla versus Sonic. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.